Hi, I'm Marna, and the mailman came, and this is what I believe is a long-awaited doll that I ordered on well, I didn't order, Darren did, bless his heart, and he actually surprised me with this one and a couple others that are still coming. Oh wow, and we're gonna see what we have here. Wow, not what I expected, better than expected. We love better than expected. Okay, so I've been waiting for these BJD. Now let's talk about that a second. BJD, ball jointed doll. In some of the BJD communities, these dolls are not considered BJDs because they're not strung, but they do have ball joints, so they are, in fact, BJD, depending on the community you're within. I like these dolls, or that doll. Let's get this one open and we'll see. I can see that this one came dressed, which is exciting. Oh wow, she's even got some sort of pearl on her necklace. Now see, this is how oh, and shoes. Oh wow, is she cute. Okay, so here's her body. Here's, oh, purple hair. Really pretty purple hair. My first doll, she's just sitting here in her underwear, sipping tea, hot chocolate. And Darren printed these. I think it's adorable. Where's her crown? She also has a crown sitting there. Oh, wow, look at that face. Real eyelashes. Well, okay, not real eyelashes, but eyelashes. I started to say about the hair on my other doll, it looked like this when it first came. And each time I brushed it, it just gets nicer and nicer. So I'm pretty pleased with that hair, and I like it pink. She just put her foot up there. So what we will do is we will take either a hair dryer, probably a hair dryer, warm this up and snap it on, unless, I want to be careful. Yeah, I think I'm going to wait and have a hair dryer, but let's look how she looks. Oh, yeah, that's cute. Oh, yeah, look at that. She even has a little pearl there. And it looks like, nope, she probably has the same body as my first one. Her legs are ball jointed, her arms are ball jointed. Oh, look at these. Oh, are those the cutest? Look at that. How cute. Let's put one on her foot. Oh, who could wait? So now I have a couple, and I've got a couple more coming. And I have too many dolls. Oh gosh, that is so cute. Now, I usually like fancy shoes, but seriously, my daughter-in-law is a runner. Oh my God. I mean, like marathons and stuff. You should see her. She's so beautiful anyway. And she can tell you all about running shoes and how many miles running shoes are good for. So these just remind me of her. When I see any kind of running shoes or whatever, I think of her. All righty. Oh gosh, that's cute. Now I just want to get that head on. So here she is with her head on. And I ran a brush through her hair. Ooh, the hair. Actually, I don't know, because my champagne colored hair looked like this and I was a little disappointed. Love the color, but like I said, the more I brushed her hair and combed her hair, the better it got, and I'm hoping the same on this doll. She has her mug of hot chocolate, upside down. But they fit in their hands. Darren worked on this little pattern, so now they each have one, and I've got a couple others ready for my dolls coming, and this is a hidden giveaway because I want to mail this to your BJD doll. And if you'll leave a comment below, if you are a subscriber, you will be in for that drawing. We do a lot of hidden videos on our channel, so you have to watch our videos to see. We have some upcoming videos. I'm going to take her clothes off in a minute so we can look at her joints. We're pretty sure they are not as bendy as this doll. But we're going to have some upcoming videos where we take an 18-inch American Girl type dress, and I'm going to tailor this down to fit this size doll. And we also have, oh, I love this. We found these inexpensively, and I just think they're cute, cute, cute. I bought them for the American Girl type dolls, but look, isn't that cute? And we're going to show you how to drill the end and what to put in there to put a ribbon around that so that there's a strap so that it stays more stable in the doll's hand. That'll really be cute. So upcoming videos, don't forget about this. And I'm kind of laughing because she's sitting here in her underwear for a reason. We're going to do a DIY on how to make this inexpensive, very inexpensive underwear for your, well, any doll, but the BJDs. Let's take her clothes off and see what we have. I don't know if you have priced their clothing, but I gotta tell you, most of the clothing for these dolls, could I spend it? Oh, my husband supports everything I do, but I won't. Okay, her head moves back and forth, but not up and down. She is a cheaper made. She does not have the articulation that this doll does. Moves at the, swivels at the arm, at the wrist. She's got the double bend in the elbow and the knee. Her feet swivel and go up and down. She has pierced ears. Neither one of these dolls move at the waist. I kind of wish they do. It's kind of like the same mold, only different. I'm not sure she's as tall as my other doll. Let's see. Of course, this one has shoes on too, but yeah, that's probably the same mold, only cheaper as far as the body itself. This doll does have the double bended elbow. She is ball jointed in the arm. She is ball joint. Oh, wait a minute. Can she ride a horse? Oh, I don't want to force that. That's really tight. That's interesting. The knee only bends that far. And the foot goes up and down and swivels. So that's good. I like that. She's got a very pretty face, but she is cheaper made than the other doll. And quite honestly, I don't know if we paid less for her or same, or she did come with the outfit. Pretty hair. Two-toned, Darren pointed out. It's got the grayish or silver and purple, which I like, lilac. She does have the same type eyelashes, although this one's also painted. Overall, I like the doll, but this body's way better. Before I go, let me verify something. To be qualified for our hidden giveaways, all you need to do is be a subscriber, leave a comment. We'd love it if you liked our video. It doesn't matter if you won before. It doesn't matter if you win 6 before. We do this fair and square with the computer. The names go in, the wheel goes round, and out comes the winner. If you are one of my monthly crafters, doesn't matter. You can still be in for the hidden giveaways. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.